YouTube, you boy is back with another video. Now, I know y'all seen part 1 and part 2 of how to install the Halo fog lights. Tell me what y'all think about that video. Also, y'all can click and go watch that video again if y'all haven't watched it. So, all my parts are in. Before we do the interior on the GMC, like I said before, we're going to wash it. I'm going to have a video of us washing it, getting it, you know, try to get it back to tip-top shape. I am looking on eBay at some carpet. I'm gonna install headliner. So a lot of things, we gonna do it together as a team, because it takes a team. So today we will be installing the Hexus Sin. So here you go. So this kind of activates the high beam, low beam, and fog lights, I guess. So I guess like all together or whatever, sequential or whatever. But yeah, we will be installing that in this video, and we'll see how that look. Also, we got some parts in. So we got our spark plugs in. So shout out to Michigan Motorsports. This was, I believe, off of eBay. Also Amazon. But like I said before in the video, y'all be careful, because when you buying items from Amazon, a lot of China items is on there, and they have duplicate NGK spark plugs, a lot of spark plugs. So cheaper is not always better on some cases, but you want to be careful, especially when you're running a boosted vehicle. So these are spark plugs that was in the truck when I got the truck, when I got the motor built, which was the boosted application. So we have a video pulling a spark plug. So we got a lot of things to bring to the channel. We're gonna bring to the channel. We're gonna do together. Your boy a little bit under the weather. I had to get a little fresh cut, you know y'all seen the other video. But yeah, man, I gotta get this truck together. This truck is filthy. I haven't even washed it. I haven't even vacuumed it. It's been, since I've been home, it's been home. So yeah, we're gonna install this. I'm gonna show y'all how to install it, and I think it's a great little mod, man. So if y'all got any other mods that you would probably do, comment and let me know. So yeah, we got the spark plugs in. Like I said before, I did put the description in there next to the video where we're removing it out of the single cab. I'll let y'all know when we remove them, how to gap them, and also a gapping tool. I done watched some videos of guys taking hammers and hitting spark plugs. I don't know if that's old school or Jimmy Joe John, or I don't know. So this is a tool. This is what comes with it on Amazon. I'm gonna try to put the link in there, y'all. So bear with your boy. Like I say, I'm still trying. So yeah, we got this, and they go to spark plug tool, and yeah, we'll go from there. My battery is running a little low on the camera, so if it do cut off, I throw another battery in. I got a couple of batteries, a couple of memory cards. Like I said before, I have one memory card. I don't know, it's empty. It just goes out. I don't know. So yeah, we'll do that. We also gonna make sure these fog lights are working. So they working pretty good, but we want to make sure everything is a-okay on the single cab and the Yukon. So as y'all can see, actually what we're gonna do is we're gonna install it now while we're in the video. So let's see. All right. So man, I'm like a little vampire out here, man. The weather feels great too, y'all. It's around that time, so of course, you know, the weather feels awesome. Awesome, great, cool, all that. So as I'm pulling off my cap or top, whatever you want to say, cap, top, whatever, or lid off of the fuse box, it also has a description of everything. So for my guys that don't know, that do know, we will be pulling, so I'll let you guys know, we will be pulling, let me get it over here so you guys can see. We will be pulling the I believe it's the fogs, the highs, and the lows, and I think that should be it, y'all. It should be the highs, the lows, and the fogs, and we'll go from there. So let's see. And if you don't know, sometimes I'll leave it like this so I can actually look at it and tell which one. So I know 85 and 87, which is right here. I'll pull that fuse, and you could put these anywhere. I mean, it's not no, you know, designated area to where these go. And then also my lows. So put that right there, and we'll take this, and so basically, yeah, just like that, y'all. So it'll basically go somewhat like that, and we'll pull them and we'll do that. So let's see, let's pull some of these, put that there, put that there, and then let's see. Still okay. That. Just like that. So that bad boy basically go like that. And let's see. Now, of course, on the other video, this how I had my freaking this how I had my the fogs ran. So it'll just go like that, y'all. And like I say, it's not no designated area where this stuff go, man. So that one will basically go like that. Let's put this one in. Let's put this in, no diddy. I need a little spit or something. No. Get in there. Bam. Just like that.
Hi.
That one in there.
Are currently being recorded.
And then that one in there like that. And it's my low beam. That one is in there. And then I'll put this bad boy right here back in. This one back in. So those back in like that. Kind of make sure everything is on there. And then of course, like I say, this is where I have my my fogs hooked up and ran like that. So bam, just like that. Kind of make sure it clicks in there. So that's it, y'all. But let's see. Let's cut these lights on and see if this will work. course, my freaking headlight is out. So what's crazy is my headlight is out, and let's see. That's a mean front end, y'all. Tell me it's not. So that's how that got to be hooked up, y'all. And like I say, it was fast, easy, not hard. I do gotta fix that. I do have to fix that. Like I said, there's always something. So I gotta order that same light for that one. I don't know why it went out, but it went out. So we'll do that. Like I say, still gotta bring out a video on gapping the spark plugs, removing the spark plugs off of the single cab. So we're gonna do that. Try to get it turned over. And we'll do that. So appreciate y'all for watching me on this video. Next video, we might be removing the interior, so don't hold me. Or we might just be swapping back over to the single cab, doing spark plugs. So your boy just hopping. I just got content, man. I got content for you guys, going back and forth with both of the trucks. I do want to get my single cab running because I want to pull it out and drive it, you know. But yeah, I know y'all want that content too, so we'll do that. And we'll go from there. But appreciate y'all for watching. Continue to watch, like, share, subscribe to the channel, TikTok, Instagram. Help your boy grow. So I am seeing more views and clicks, not more subscribers. So like I said, it don't matter. I appreciate y'all for watching. I appreciate y'all for coming to the channel where there's 1,000 or 1,000,000. Appreciate y'all, man. And YouTube, your boy, holla at you. We back in this video. I want to bring this back to y'all. Sorry, I know we ended the video, but I want to bring this to y'all. Cut the high beams on, and all of them cut on. So that's another thing, that installing that Hexon on there, that it'll cut all the high beam, low beam, and the fog lights on one move. So yeah. Look pretty good to me. What y'all think? So yeah, man, the battery is going low on this camera. Let me see, where is it? Yeah, so the battery do need to be charged. I'm gonna switch them out. I am gonna try to bring y'all, I might bring y'all 2 videos. I don't know. As you can see, I brought 2 videos in one day. So a part 1 and a part 2 on how to run your fog lights. So I hope somebody out there can actually see. And then after that, I'm gonna bring a bumper. My bad. I'm thinking about the bumper. I'm gonna bring a video how to remove that rear bumper and install the fog light, not light, but the whole assembly. Because on here, I don't know, it was molded. So we're just gonna go with that. Wash this bad boy up, clean it up, clean the interior. And I got some stuff coming for the interior, so y'all just stay tuned. But I had to fire the camera back up just to show y'all this. So I didn't want to leave nothing out, because I know somebody gonna probably say, oh, hey, it's there. So on the GMC already, just to get y'all rundown, if you go back to my first video, when I first started YouTube, this truck was inspired by Robin Big. But I want to say this. I'm trying to get my thoughts together. We actually had another GMC. So that GMC I don't know what my love is for GMC anyways. But anyways, that first video we had that GMC, and it didn't work out. Long story short, I'll probably bring a video on what happened. Take y'all by the shop that beep 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 messed over me. And this will come with the game. A lot of you guys say they can do this and do that. They bull crap. So anyways, just to stay on a positive note, got this truck. And you guys can actually go through the videos and see when I got the truck and what we did with it. We took some parts off the old one, put it on this one, took it to the shop. The guy actually pulled the frame on here, painted it, color matched it, whatever. It looked great. Of course, driving it on the road, bugs and all that, it do need washing, and it's gonna need some touching up on the paint. So yeah, man, we just been adding parts. We're gonna keep adding stuff on this truck, and eventually this truck might be a giveaway sometime soon. I don't know. I like Yukons. I might buy another one and give it away. I don't know. But right now, we're just doing everything cosmetically for this vehicle, TLC, and I don't see me camming in to do anything crazy like that. That's what I got this for. So this is the one where I can do all that. This one is just a straight truck workhorse. So yeah, your boy bringing y'all that. And like I say, man, from the Hexon to the in-dash to the speakers, everything on this video, everything on this truck, I'm just trying to bring y'all content for each vehicle, and I'm just bouncing back and forth. So just be with your boy. I'm gonna try to bring y'all this content. I know y'all want the single cab content, so I'm gonna bring y'all that. But appreciate y'all for watching your boy once again. And I just had to fire the truck up, cut the hot beams on just to show you guys this is what this part do. So it's a great part. I know some people probably already know about it, some people don't. So if you don't know, now you know. So appreciate you.